Today we are showing off something incredibly special, which is our Holden VK Brock tribute, and guess what? This awesome beast could be yours.
It certainly can, but this is not just any VK Brock. It's had a full bare metal restoration, it's had a fresh paint job, but it's got a HDT Group 3 body kit all round. I'm sure you'll agree, it's very tough.
Check out this interior. The trim's been fully done by CKT, along with these Devonish front seats. They're designed for both comfort and style.
So let's get to the good part. This has got a forged LSA engine with Higgins heads, Harrop camshaft, it's got diamond pistons and Kelly rods. This makes really good power and does it reliably.
And let's not forget the 2650 Harrop supercharger. This thing is pushing some serious power backed by a 2-speed power glide and a TCE converter. It's the perfect setup for both street and strip.
Now this beast is rolling on Weld Alumistar wheels, 17 inches at the front, 15x8 single bead lockers at the back. This thing can go good, but can also stop. It's got wheelwood brakes all around.
This car doesn't just go fast, it has been built to handle the power. It's got a full flight engineering 9-inch diff with 35 spine axles and a true track center. It's also got an 80-litre drop tank with a 460 litre pump.
Valued at $130,000, this draw is capped at 2,500 entrants. But you need to be quick, it only runs for 8 days.
Enter now for as little as $19.95, and hopefully we are calling you soon. Best of luck.